Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar and I'm going to demonstrate how to build and run the voting application in the Docker Datacenter using UI. I'm going to make use of the Docker Datacenter configuration which I have created as part of my earlier demo configuring Docker Datacenter. Refer that video for the Docker Datacenter configuration. So first now let us go and clone the repository where we have the voting application. Copy the URL. So we are going to clone it. Git clone. The repository is getting cloned and it has been successfully cloned. So now let us get into the voting app folder. In this folder, we could see the docker compose.yml file and the other directory structures where we have the Docker files for building the different service images. First, let us review the docker compose.yml file. So here we could see that we are using the Compose version 2 and we have defined multiple services like the voting app, result app, worker and the wxxcat and the wxxcon. And then we have defined one volumes and two networks. So all these services are going to be part of any one of the network or both the networks. And if you could clearly see, we are not using here image and we are using build. So it means we are going to first build the image and then we are going to run those services. Now let us build the image. Docker compose build. So it is going to build images one by one. So now first it is building the worker image. The images have been successfully built. So let us review the images. Docker images. So we could see all the images have been successfully built. So now let us create the repositories in the DTR. Let's go to the DTR. So click new repository. So we'll create a repository name voting app. Click save. So the repository has been added. Now we have created all the required repositories. So now let us go and tag the images and push it to the DTR. Docker tag. So let us start with the example xcon. So we need to give the domain name, then the username and then the name. So we have tagged it. So we have tagged all the images. So now let us log in. Docker login dot admin. So we have successfully logged in. Now let us start pushing the images to the DTR registry. It's getting pushed. All the images have been successfully pushed to the Docker trusted registry. Now let us launch the application in the UCP dashboard. Click applications, click compose application, give the name of the application and then copy and paste the docker compose.yml file. Click create. So the application has been successfully deployed. So click done. Now we could see there are 6 containers up and running. And we could clearly see different containers are started in different UCP nodes. Now let us launch the application and check. So we could see both the voting app and the result app are running in this particular UCP node. So now let us launch the application and check. So first let's launch the voting app. The application has been successfully launched. Now let us cast our vote to apples. So when this is coming up, let us launch our result app. So we could see this. We have successfully casted our vote for apples. Now let us go and check the results. So we could see we have put the 100% vote to the apples. So now let us change our vote and check. Click oranges. So now we have successfully cast our vote to oranges. Let's go and check the result. So because since we have casted twice, and each time if it has picked up 2 session IDs, then that's why we are seeing we have casted 2 votes, 1 vote for apple, the other vote for oranges. As part of this demo, we have seen how to build the voting application and push the images to the Docker trusted registry and run the application using the Docker Compose UI in the UCP dashboard. Thanks for watching the demo.